Hi friends, this video shows how to change language of the device from unknown language to English. See, you can see the language. I don't know which language this is. I'm going to change this to English. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Then here from top select sixth option. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Select this. This is a system option. Then here we have to select fourth option. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a language option. Select. Then you can select English. Then let me select US. Done. Let me go back and check. See. So this way we can change unknown device language to English. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.